Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 8 presentation 2. Hope you guys are doing fine and staying healthy and quarantined at home by yourselves. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the second presentation in lesson 8 today. Okay, so let's get started. First one is 琳达，你的生日是几月几号? So here Linda is the sound for Linda. Okay, 你的生日，你的 possessive 生日 birthday. So your birthday 是 is right is 几月几号 okay which month and which day okay which month and which day so 几 we all know it means which in Chinese okay 月 is month okay how is day okay but there's other ways we can say this one for how okay how it equals 日 in Chinese okay you can also say for the same sentence 你的生日是几月几日 okay 几月几日 so for 日 it's more of a formal expression okay how is more informal in Chinese okay but either one can work so you can use either one of them all right so let's move on to the next one so Linda is replying 7月18号7月18号 so that's July 18 okay July 18 okay so 7月 okay 7 month which is July the 7th month of the year okay 18号 okay the 18th day of the month okay July 18th 7月18号 all right next one 今天是你的生日祝你生日快乐 okay 今天今天是 today okay 是 is 你的 another possessive 你的 okay your 生日 birthday okay today is your birthday 祝 okay pay attention to this one 祝你生日快乐 wish you birthday 快乐快乐 happy okay so wish you a happy birthday wish you a happy birthday okay all right so we can also say 祝你快乐 okay 祝你快乐 okay wish you happy okay or you can also say 祝你幸福祝你幸福 okay wish you happy okay so 快乐快乐 is the state or the status of your emotion so wish you happy and 幸福 here and more it's more like wish you a happy life okay wish you a happy life okay 祝你幸福 we'll learn this word later in probably unit 6 or 7 all right so next one there's nothing to say about this one 谢谢 okay thank you all right so move on to the next sentence 你男朋友送你什么生日礼物了 okay 你男朋友送你什么生日礼物了 so obviously this is a question with a question mark 你男朋友 okay let's translate word by word in here your another possessive even though there's no the but because this is a close relationship so the is optional in here okay 你的男朋友 okay your boyfriend okay boyfriend give 送 is to give okay that's the actual verb in here but because we know there's le in the end of the sentence it signifies this is a past tense in Chinese so give you what birthday present or gift which is the same thing okay so remember the word order in Chinese Okay, so even though you are asking a question, you are still using a statement format. Okay, your boyfriend gave you what present or what gift. Okay, 送. But you can rewrite this sentence because we know usually the le, which signifies the past tense, can also go directly with the actual verb. So you can also say 你的 or 你男朋友送了你什么生日礼物 ？Okay， 你男朋友送了你什么生日礼物 ？So the only difference between this sentence in here and the original text is that we put the le, which is the particle that signifies the past tense, together with actual verb. Okay， 你男朋友送了你什么生日礼物 ？All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay， 他送了我一本英汉词典。他送了我一本英汉词典。So this is the same format as the sentence that we just rewrote in here. Okay, so he gave me a or let's say one 本 of English. Okay, English Chinese dictionary. Okay, English Chinese dictionary. Okay, so in here, 送了, as you can see, the 了 is together with the verb. Okay, which is gave. Okay, 一 okay, that's one. 本 here is measure word. Okay, usually for books. Okay, for books. Okay, usually for books. All right, so 一本英汉词典，英英语，汉汉语。Okay, English Chinese dictionary. So we can also call 中文汉语. Okay, so 汉语 and 中文 they mean the same thing, Chinese language. But the reason why it's called 汉语 is because the majority of the Chinese people are the Han Chinese, right? So that's why the language they're using is called the Han language, 汉语, okay? 汉语. Okay, another point here I want to mention is 词典, okay? 词典. So 词典 is the same as 字典 in Chinese, okay? So 词 basically it means word, okay? 字 means character, okay? So the reason why we can use these two words interchangeably is because the Romance languages like, French, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, okay? Or even the Germanic languages like German, okay? Those languages, or like the Latin language like English and stuff like that. So these languages, they are based on words, okay? Lexicons, okay? But the Chinese language is based on characters. So that's why 典 means a collection. So that's why for those Romance languages, those Germanic languages, even like Slavic languages, the dictionary they use is called a collection of words. But for Chinese language, it's always called collection of characters. But they are interchangeable. You can use either one of them to refer to dictionary with no problem. Okay? Let me put down here, it means dictionary. Okay? All right. Next one, 你是什么时候开始学中文的？你是什么时候开始学中文的？ Okay, we are seeing the 是的 structure in here. Okay, so just a little bit review in here. The 是的 structure is used for what? For the emphasis on manners, time, location and stuff. Okay, locations. Okay, so here we're emphasizing 什么时候, which is the time. Okay, so starting from when did you learn Chinese? Okay, if you translate into English, it is when. Oh, when was it that you started to learn Chinese? Okay, when was it? So you're emphasizing on the timing here. Okay, when was it? Okay, and then to reply to the question, Linda is using the same structure in here. 我是去年2月开始学中文的。Okay, so remember once again, you always use the statement structure to construct a question in Chinese. So here, 我是去年2月开始学中文的。Okay, 是 the structure again in here with no problem, and then you are emphasizing on this part, which is the time. Okay, 去年2月, last year, January. Sorry, February. Okay, and we'll be talking about like how to express the year before last, the year after next. Okay, those kind of expressions later down here. We're gonna do a little summary in here. Okay. All right. So next question. Another 是的 structure. Okay. Okay, in here with a yes no question mark ma in there. Okay. 你是在美国出生的吗？你是在美国出生的吗？ So was it in America that you were born? Okay, was it in America that you were born? Okay. 你是在美国出生的吗？ Okay, to answer the question, he said yes. Okay, or correct. 对 Okay, 对 means correct. 我是1979年7月18日在美国出生的。So the 是的 structure is still present in here, as you can see, to answer that question. 你是在美国出生的吗？ So she's answering the question. Yes, I was born in America. And she went a further step and answered with the time. Okay, 1979年 1979 July 7th month. Okay, July 18th. Okay, here you see 日, which we'll talk about just now, up here, which is the same as 号. Okay, one is formal, one is informal. Okay, so that's pretty much summarizes the whole passage we're learning right now. Okay, so now let's do what we just talked about, like the day, week, month, and year thing. Okay, let's start from the middle. Let's just say today, this week, this month, this year. Okay, so today will be 今天. Okay, how do you say this week? 这个星期. Okay, and month will be 这个月. Okay, this month. Okay, year 今年. Okay, 今年. So let's move to the future first. Okay, so for tomorrow, you will say 明天, right? And then for week, we'll say 下个星期. Okay, for month, 下个月. Okay, year 明年. Okay, move further. Okay, the day after tomorrow. Okay, 后天. Okay, and then for week, the week after next will be 下下个星期. 下下个星期. Or you can also replace one with 大下个星期. 大下个星期. Same thing with month here. 下下个月, you just duplicate the 下, okay? And you can also replace that with 大下个月, okay? And then for year, you say 后年, okay? 后年. Let's move to the past, okay? So the day, yesterday, okay, will be 昨天, 昨天, okay? And last week, 上个星期, okay? Month, 上个月. Last year, 去年. Okay, move further back. The day before yesterday. 前天. Okay, and here, same structure as the future. You duplicate that 上 in there. Okay, 上上个星期. Okay, and you can also replace the 上 with 大上个星期. Okay. Or you can also say, for the month, it's the same thing. 上个月, or you say 大上个月. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, and then This one will be 前年. Okay, 前年. So if you can just take a look at those things in here, okay, and then try to summarize a little bit what is going on in here, okay? What's the differences and similarities between these expressions, okay? So as you can see, day and year, they share pretty much the same structure, right? 前天,前年,昨天,去年. That's the only difference. So let's highlight that one, okay? 昨天,去年. Okay, and 今天,今年,明天,明年,后天,后年. That's the same thing with an year. And then for a week and month, they share the same structure, exactly the same structure. How you say this month, this week, last month, last week, next month, and next week. Okay, so hopefully this helps you with summarizing Chinese, and then try to come up with the regularities. Try to summarize. That's how you'll learn a language. Of course, there's gonna be like irregularities, but that'll be the exceptions. Okay, as long as you can have a firm grasp of the rules and everything, you'll be learning Chinese very well. Okay, that's all for today's class, and then I'll see you guys next week. Next time. 再见。